as the name goes, I think as the name goes, True Roots is a product that gives you the choice to not have grays at a very early age in your life. And I think it's amazing to have that choice in the most clinically proven and natural way, where the whole intention and the approach behind having this product is you face it and you solve it. Let's start from the roots. Let's go 100% natural. And I think that's why I'm here, and that's what I'd like to say about this Marico's latest brand launch, True Roots Botanical Hair Tonic.
How far do you think the success of a brand, is the responsibility of endorsing the brand, etc., or endorsing the brand? So how far the responsibility lies on the celebrity? Because there is a lot of loopholes when the brand faces the responsibility goes to the
celebrity. To be honest with you, if you actually notice, I haven't been associated with a lot of. Sorry, I haven't been associated with a lot of brands before this. So what I will learn in my experience is probably your answer, which we'll probably be able to discuss in the near future if I actually understand how it functions. But of course I think what happens is that the brand has their own following and the celebrity has their own following. Somewhere you need to match your understanding and you need to have the same wavelength somewhere. And I think here the reason why I'm highlighting this matter again and again, saying that it's a choice that they're providing us with, because in today's day and age, everybody wants different kinds of choices, and we try to go try to find different ways of having that result, which might not be very good for us. So if you can provide somebody with a better solution, and then you can still have grays and flaunt them if you don't want to hide them, that's absolutely great as well. But to have this choice the natural way is really good. And in my field, it's like a blessing, you know what I mean? So that's why I'm here, and this is where our paths cross, and I really like the fact that it's 100% natural. Yeah.
And the same question regarding the web page, ma'am. Not a negative question for this. Big producers, big creators being a part of the web page, big artists. You are an icon for the web page, being part of so successful web page. What you've said, what kind of change is making in the main entertainment cinema?
I'll briefly answer this question. I personally feel that what has this digital platform done is that it's really generated a lot of employment and really good content, because for various reasons. It doesn't have censorship, it does, and of course a format of a web series is very different from a format of a film. So it has great advantages, and yeah, I think a viewer has a choice to watch something at home as well as watch something in the theatres.
But will it be challenging for the feature filmmaker or
I think certain films will still run, and I hope they do. I love cinema. I really love. हाँ? जी, तो कल बात करेंगे ना. कल है ना, आप भी है. आज ये बात करते हैं ना. अलग अलग दिन अलग अलग चीजें. पता नहीं मुझे क्या हुआ यार. अब भी मैं लंदन से आई हूँ 2 घंटे पहले. नहीं, I really don't know. I actually don't know. For bad hair day. Oh, I just tie it up. I tie it up tight. and I wear red lipstick. I'm kidding. I just tie it up. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
And we're really excited about you launching Marico's True Roots Botanical Hair Tonic, a disruptive innovation that delays graying of hair from the roots.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. A very warm welcome to all of you. Thank you for coming here on a Monday morning. I am so excited to introduce you to Marico's newest brand launch, True Roots Botanical Hair Tonic. It's such a pleasure, I think, when you see something and a product that's going to actually help you in the best and most natural way possible and give you a choice to delay your graying. Actually, I think, in today's day and age, we think of so many things as why we are turning grey so fast and earlier than our previous generations. And the only scientific reason is melanin. The pigment melanin, I think you guys spoke about it just now, but when melanin starts depleting, that's when you start having grey hair. And what this does is basically increase your level of melanin. And those of you who think that this is not my time to go grey right now, this is for you.
Absolutely. We were just talking about that and saying what it's a very strong feeling that we have. It's not my time to go grey. Well, we were just talking, of course, to the dermatologists and Marico R&D experts on the True Roots, and they told us about the clinical study about it. So what do you feel?
Well, it is clinically proven, and it has basically all natural ingredients. There's nothing which is going to be harmful at all. It's completely like tested, proven, and it has the main ingredient it has is apigenin, which is basically extracted from chamomile flower and other botanical actives. So it's extremely natural, it's extremely healthy, and there's an added benefit to that, which is that it also makes your hair really soft and sort of shiny, and it sort of makes your hair feel really good. I've tried it, and I think it's really amazing.
Almost like it's like a condition.
Conditions, yeah, it conditions your hair. Like, you know how I used to put something or the other because after a hair wash. But this solves my problem in both ways. Like, it's actually helping my roots also, and it's also helping my hair.
Wow, so the entire hair and at the scalp level as
well.
Both,
yeah.
Wow. Okay, so I'd like to now ask you, why have you decided to endorse True Roots?
That is a very important question, I think. Because, you know, there's so much talk about grey hair. And I think grey hair is great. It's absolutely lovely. But it's also great to have a choice. Whether you want to go grey right now or whether you want to have your natural hair color right now. And I think that is important. It's your choice, whatever you want. But when you are given the choice in the most natural format, that is something I think very important, because when I remember I started having grays when I was about 20 years old, and I suddenly started getting a lot of grays. And I didn't do anything about it till I was 28, because I liked it. I was like, it's fine, I'm fine with it. But what happened with me, I mean, this is my personal experience, and this is why I'm here today, is because in my field, I was required to play different parts, and sometimes it was okay to have those, and sometimes it was not okay to have them. And then what do? And I tried all the other things that we've all tried, right from like plucking my hair to, and then again they're coming and standing up. And I think this is what I want, because I like to look at the problem in the eye and solve it, face it, solve it. And this is what goes directly to your roots and like manage the root cause and doesn't sort of deal with it superficially.
It's literally like hitting the nail on the head.
Absolutely, yeah.
So in your case, it suits you perfectly, like the reason why you are with it. That's fantastic. So you have used the product. So can you tell us what it feels like?
Yeah.
And can we see how it is?
Yes. So basically, you need to use this product for 90 days in order to get the result. And it's proven that after 90 days, you won't have a gray hair. It delays the graying from the roots. So I haven't used it for 90 days yet, but the moment they approached me, they gave me the product, and I've been using it. So I'm actually very excited to see the effect. It's aqua-based, so it's not sticky, and it's a spray. So you just spray it in your hair. It's really soft. You don't have to wash it out, and it has a nice fragrance, so my hair smells nice. And you just have to massage it, and that's all. It's extraordinarily convenient.
Wow, yeah. I'm so excited. Are you all excited about this? Yeah, that's because we can actually see it in you, and we're feeling it too.
I mean, I think everybody has funny grey hair stories. And they not necessarily have to be bad, and they're really funny. But I mean, would anybody like to tell a story about grey hair?
You can actually ask somebody.
I don't know, anybody wants to say a story about their first grey hair?
Would anyone like to volunteer?
Do you remember when you got your first grey hair? You know, anybody remembers? Oh, yeah?
I think I've had grey hairs since I work in advertising and handling shoots and crazy deadlines for PR events. Yeah, but I like color. I like coloring my hair, but I never go for coloring root touch-ups or color my grays. I still have like pinkish, translucent grays on my head.
Yeah.
And I think this product is something that's going to help. I mean, since I've been working on it as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's, I mean, just to have some patience and see within 90 days what magic it does.
I think that is what is really great. I feel that, you know, you have the choice to color your hair a color because you want that color, and to have the choice to have your natural color coming out of your own scalp. I mean, you know, just to have the choice is so amazing, and to go the natural way. I agree with you.
Yeah, I feel it's kind of magical because you have grays and you always think that that's I mean, your hair is dead. You usually cut them out.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's great that there's something that will actually solve it, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I agree.
But what about the men? I think you should ask one of the gentlemen out here about their experience on graying.
Anybody?
Come on, I'm sure you're brave enough to talk about it.
I think it's so nice to share something
Yes,
like this.
it is.
अगर आप भी बनना चाहते हैं एंकर और रिपोर्टर, वीडियो एडिटर, कैमरामैन या फिर स्क्रिप्ट राइटर, तो हमें संपर्क करें।